Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's learn to fix your Ticketmaster queue temporarily paused. So here's a troubleshooting guide for your real-time error. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Fix 1. Switch off active VPNs and iCloud Private Relay. Identify network blocks. Security systems automatically restrict and pause queues for connections routing through proxy servers or anonymous networks. Disable the software, turn off any active VPN clients, proxy servers, or ad blocking software extensions. Turn off Apple features. If you are using an iPhone or Mac, go to your iCloud system settings and switch off iCloud Private Relay. Fix 2. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile cellular data. Address shared IP bands. Multiple devices accessing Ticketmaster from the same home or public Wi-Fi network can trigger localized bot detection suspensions. Disconnect Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi on your mobile device or laptop entirely. Enable personal hotspot. Switch your computer over to your mobile device LTE or 5G cellular data network to establish a fresh unflagged IP address. Fix 3. Open an incognito window and re-log in. Clear broken sessions. Stale cookies and cache tokens can cause queue routing loops and continuous browser pauses. Open private mode. Launch a new incognito or private window inside Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Re-authenticate your identity. Go directly to the web portal, sign in manually to your account, and re-attempt to access the ticket selection dashboard. Fix 4. Allow third-party cookies and enable JavaScript. Adjust security settings. Security layers block your connection if your browser hides core tracking data required for queue placement. Enable Chrome cookies. Go to Browser Settings. Then, from there, go to Privacy and Security. Select third-party cookies and select Allow. Adjust Safari properties, open System Preferences, select Privacy and verify that block all cookies remains unchecked. Fix file change to a completely alternate web browser. Bypass broken browser profiles if your preferred browser contains hidden tracking blocks or corrupt code extensions. Switching apps will resolve the loop. Select a new app. If you are experiencing errors on Safari or Edge, download and open Chrome, Firefox, or Opera. Avoid multi-tab refreshing. Do not multi- do not keep multiple event pages open simultaneously or hit refresh excessively as this immediately triggers anti-spam scripts. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit this